If you have been watching my recent YouTube videos, you will know that I have a lot of echo in my videos, and that is due to the fact that my living room was empty. I was so excited I forgot the intro of the video, but you're welcome. My name is Gina. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. It is still empty, and that's because there is no couches, okay? No dining table, no couch, no table, nothing. The only thing in this living room is my office table, which is right there. Okay, my office table and chair. And my TV and TV stand. All of that is about to change because I just got not one, not two, but 3 big couches from Amazon. I've never gotten furniture on Amazon or anything like that, and I did not see any reviews on YouTube with these chairs, like actual reviews, actual people unboxing and talking about it. So why not do it? So I will be opening these big couches for you guys and hopefully setting them up. I don't know how difficult it's going to be, but I'm going to do my best to record the process. First, let me show you the actual boxes. So, as you can see here, I have 3 big boxes. These couches are from Lifestyle Solutions, as you can see here on the box. Oh my god. And it has the company's address and everything like that, and also the phone number and all of that stuff. And the couch itself is called Hartford KD Sofa Microfiber Grade 26 Black. So the color is black. Alright, and on the side it has the I'll be putting all the measurements of the couches in the description box below. They're all the same color, all the same sizes and everything. So that way if you want to purchase them, I'll also be putting the link. This video is not sponsored by Amazon. I just want to help somebody out there who might want to get a couch because I couldn't find helpful videos, so I wanted to try. So I'm going to start by opening the first box, one box, not the first box because it's not like in parts. They're separate boxes. So I will be opening one box on camera and then setting it up on camera. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because I have somewhere to be today. Inside the couch, this underneath the couch, of course, you know, we have the pillows and all the little parts that I need to do to put them together, yeah. Yo, I'm already breathing so fast. Let's continue this. Okay. This one even. Are the couch legs, and there's 4 of these. Oh look, instruction, things that I don't follow. Step 1. So it says to put this on the bottom of the arms of the chair. So this is the arm of the chair. They have 2 holes on the side, so I'll just put one washer on this, and then I'm going to put this in here and spin it. until it's secure. I have had a really difficult time trying to put this arms on the side because it's just me. It's definitely helpful if you have somebody to help you hold the other end while you put the other end in. Oh my god, because whenever I put the other end will fall apart, then I have to figure it out. So I don't know what happened, but it's sitting there now and I hope it stays that way. My goal by the end of the video is to put the one couch together at least, and then, you know, I'll show you guys the final look when I finish all the other couches. All right, so next part of the instructions. All right. Insert backrest metal plates to back arms as shown below. Okay. Let's do that. Oh my god. I finally fixed one couch, you guys. So, I don't know. I think this thing is a little shaky because it didn't go in correctly, but I'll fix it later. I am very exhausted. I am tired. But I want to end the video right now, but before I do, I would like to talk about the couch, okay? Because this video has been about the couch. So, if you want to buy this couch, yo, it is stiff. The seats are stiff, okay? And soft at the same time. So the seats are a little stiff and soft. What else? The backrest is very, very soft and comfortable. So yeah, I recommend it. If I were to rate this couch on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 7. Okay, a 7 because it took me a while to put together because I was by myself. But hey, purchase the couch. You may like it or not, but yeah, you'll see. So let me just show you guys the couch again before I end the video. But I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys the couch and then end the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, you guys. Please subscribe because this couch took me, what time is it? So, this couch took me almost an hour to put together. That's because I was resting and gathering my thoughts before I continued. So technically it took me like 30 minutes if I wasn't resting. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the view of the couch. Let me know what you think. Yep, let me know what y'all think.